How to clear a chat on Snapchat. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can simply clear your conversation or chat on Snapchat. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you're gonna do is open up the Snapchat application on your mobile phone devices. Afterwards, you just have to tap on the chat icon that is at the left bottom corner of your screen. So once you do that, a series of chat options with people would appear up and which you're going to set up. For instance, I'm going to give you an example and select any one of the chat. So here it is. I go into the chat option. I see if I want to specifically delete some message or a chat, I would select it and I can delete it from the option delete. If I want to do it wholly, that means I would implicate. I would just hold this and this type of a screen would appear up, in which I'm going to go and tap on the more or option. So once I do that, there are two options: delete chats or clear conversation. The delete chats would suggest that all of my messages would automatically be getting deleted by 24 hours. And the clear conversation means all of the conversation from my that feed with that person would be deleted immediately. That means it will not be saved. So this is how we do it. This is how we clear a conversation with anybody on Snapchat. I hope this video was informative. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, peace.